Today I'm showing you the exact professional makeup artist must-haves used by a Charlotte Tilbury celebrity makeup artist. She has a huge clientele of models and actresses, and she glams them for award shows, the Met Gala, and more. And she shared with me some of her favorite tips and tricks and products, so I can't wait to share them with you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something really exciting, professional makeup artist must-haves, and these are inspired by tips I learned recently during a glam session with Charlotte Tilbury makeup artist Michelle Villatoro. If you've ever wondered what products real makeup artists keep in their kit, the ones used backstage, on red carpets, and on photo shoots, this video is for you. Because the truth is, professional makeup artists don't carry hundreds of random products. They usually rely on a core group of essentials that work on almost every skin type, and that they use to help them create that flawless, glowing, camera-ready look. So today I'm going to walk you through these products and talk about why they matter and how you can use them yourself at home to get the same luxury glam finish for yourself. Alright, so let's get started. First up, skincare prep. Professional makeup artists will tell you the same thing. Great makeup starts with a great skin prep. One of the most iconic products used by pro artists is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. This moisturizer is famous for creating that smooth, plump base that helps foundation glide onto the skin and actually last longer. When artists prep skin properly, the makeup again will last longer, it looks smoother, and photographs beautifully. Hydrated skin also prevents foundation from settling into those fine lines and texture. So the first must-have in a professional makeup artist kit is a rich moisturizer or skin prep cream. Michelle loves to use Charlotte Tilbury's lip mask as well in her skin prep. Now this is a new product from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called the Life Changing Lip Mask, and it does come in different shades. It comes in Pillow Talk Fresh Glow, and it also comes in Magic Sheer Glow. Now this truly is the best ever lip mask, lip conditioner, lip product that I have personally ever used. It's seriously a 6-in-1 lip fixer, and it has lip lift technology, and it will help to give your lips more volume and definition, and it also will help to keep your lips instantly more hydrated, and it also does help to reduce the look of lip lines. In just 28 days, it will help to strengthen your lip skin barrier, and it also gives an immediate lip revival, making your lips feel retexturized, and it also does make your lip liner apply more smoothly as well. So this is definitely a must-have. And I know that Michelle told me that this is the only lip mask that really helps to take away the dryness in her lips. And personally, what I also love about this lip mask is that it is completely weightless on your lips, yet it really does do everything I just mentioned: volumize, hydrate, you name it. So next up, primer. Michelle loves to use the Charlotte Tilbury Invisible UV Flawless Primer. This has SPF 50 in it, and it does work to help protect and prime your skin, and it's also infused with hyaluronic acid and pollution defense as well. So this product is really unique because it's going to protect, hydrate, and perfectly prime your skin. It has a weightless, satin smooth texture that glides onto your skin, and it instantly absorbs for an invisible finish, and it also has no scent to it. Michelle describes it as the ultimate soft focus beauty glow filter because it really does help to create that flawless, poreless looking canvas for her clients. So the goal for Michelle is not heavy makeup. The goal is to get that perfect looking skin with less products. The next essential, a flawless foundation. Every professional makeup artist carries a foundation that photographs beautifully and lasts for hours. Long wear formulas are essential because models, actresses, and many makeup artist clients need their makeup to stay perfect throughout lights, events, and long days. Many makeup artists choose foundations that give medium to full coverage but still look like skin. A great foundation evens out the complexion while still letting their clients' natural beauty shine through. And this is where technique matters just as much as the product. Artists often apply foundation in thin layers and blend with brushes or even their fingers to create that airbrushed finish. One product that Michelle loves to use, and she actually did use this on me at my glam session, is the Charlotte Tilbury Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint. This is a hydrating foundation stick. So this foundation is so unique in that it gives you that ring light effect, and it also is so hydrating. It blurs and smooths out your skin and gives a soft focus glow to your skin. It's buildable with light coverage but it gives you this supernatural glow. And Michelle does swipe this onto the client's face and then she blends it with her fingers, and it just personally melted right into my skin. I'm wearing it right now and it just feels so weightless on, and it does have all day wear. It's also infused with skincare ingredients like Charlotte's collagen and hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Another tip that Michelle taught me is that you can use this foundation to blend out your cream blush or your liquid blush. You just go around the perimeter of the blush and it blends out beautifully. But speaking of blending, the next must-have in every professional makeup artist kit is high quality brushes. Professional makeup brushes are designed to apply product smoothly and evenly. Charlotte Tilbury has a full range of handcrafted brushes designed specifically for contouring, blending, and sculpting the face. For example, a tapered powder and sculpt brush helps apply powder exactly where you need it, like in the T-zone or under your eyes, without disturbing the rest of the makeup. A good brush can completely transform how your makeup applies. One brush that Michelle considers a must-have is the Hollywood Complexion Brush by Charlotte Tilbury, and I also do have this brush, and I have to say it truly is a game changer. Now, Michelle used this to apply a bunch of different products to my face, and she used the smaller end of this brush here to actually contour my face, and then she used the larger side of the brush to blend out that contour. So she did apply the contour with the smaller end and then blends out with the larger end, and she used it to apply my highlighter. And you can also use that small angled head to blend concealer under your eyes, and she also used this brush to contour under my nose to give this really button nose effect. And she did use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood contour wand, and then she blends out with the Hollywood complexion brush. Another brush that I found to be very unique that Michelle uses is the Charlotte Tilbury eye blender brush. She actually uses this brush to blend out concealer and to apply powder to the face because it's pretty small in size, so you can be very precise with your application. But this brush also works so beautifully on the eyes as well, and it will make your eyeshadow come out so smooth looking and just absolutely perfect looking. It's a great brush to invest in, and it also is made of cruelty-free fibers. And she also used this eyeshadow brush to blend out my concealer, as I mentioned earlier. It just makes this beautiful diffused effect. So this brush is just absolutely amazing for a multitude of reasons, and I could definitely see why Michelle considers this a must-have. So next up is concealer. This is one of the most important tools in a professional makeup artist kit. Concealer will brighten under the eyes, it will help to hide blemishes, and even help to sculpt the face. Professional makeup artists often apply concealer in strategic areas under the eyes, around the nose, and even in the center of the forehead or on the chin to brighten and lift the face. Michelle uses the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Blur Concealer, which is a new concealer from Charlotte, and this is a light as air full coverage concealer with elastic stretch to it, and it has up to 24-hour of creaseless wear. So as you can see on the packaging of this concealer, it has these wings that are in an upward motion, and Michelle described this as Charlotte's philosophy to actually lift the face using makeup. And because this concealer has elastic stretch to it, it naturally flexes and moves with you, so it won't get stuck into your skin and into your fine lines or texture. So everything just looks so effortless and not dry or tight. It does hydrate, and it does have hyaluronic acid in it as well as squalane, and it has power blur technology to smooth and blur the look of your skin. And as I mentioned earlier, Michelle used this concealer on me with the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow brush, and she used that eyeshadow brush to blend out the concealer, and it just made the most beautiful diffused effect. Now let's talk about something makeup artists absolutely rely on, and that is setting powder. Setting powder is what locks everything into place. A finely milled powder helps to blur pores and smooth texture and prevent shine, and a good one will help do all this while keeping the skin looking natural. And one of the reasons powders like Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush powder are popular among makeup artists is because they create a soft focus effect that smooths the complexion without leaving the complexion looking heavy or cakey. This is especially important for photos and videos where lighting can highlight texture. So Michelle did apply this powder to my face using the Magic Complexion brush from Charlotte Tilbury, and it came out so smooth looking and so natural looking and so effortless looking. So that was such a great tip as well, to use that brush in conjunction with the powder. So now after powder comes contour and bronzer. Professional makeup artists use contour to sculpt the face and enhance bone structure. Instead of harsh lines though, they focus on creating soft shadows that mimic natural dimension. Bronzer adds warmth and life back into the skin after foundation and powder. Makeup artists usually apply bronzer to the temples, to the cheekbone, and the jawline to give you that sun-kissed glow. Michelle does use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Contour Wand that I previously mentioned. Then we move on to one of the most fun steps, and that is highlighter. Highlighter is what creates that radiant glow on the high points of the face. Professional makeup artists apply it to the cheekbones, the brow bone, the bridge of the nose, and sometimes to the inner corners of the eye. The key is that subtle glow that gives you that healthy skin look and not a glittery look. Michelle loves to use the Film Star Bronze and Glow palette too from Charlotte Tilbury, and this powder has this silky smooth formula and it gives you this effortless red carpet complexion. You can bronze and sculpt your face, and it has light flex technology, so it creates this film star glow. So next essential is brows. Brows frame the entire face, which is why every makeup artist keeps brow pencils or gels in their kit. Filling in the brows adds structure and balance to the makeup look. Artists often use light hair-like strokes to mimic natural brow hairs, keeping the look soft and realistic. For her clients, Michelle uses the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat. This is a micro precision brow pencil, and it does have an angled tip to perfect and recreate the illusion of defined natural brow hairs. It has 16-hour wear, and it's also waterproof, humidity proof, and sweat resistant, and it's infused with vitamin E as well. Now let's talk about eye makeup must-haves. Professional makeup artists will carry a versatile neutral palette. These palettes contain shades that they can create natural daytime looks or smoky evening looks or dramatic editorial looks. The secret though is the blending. Artists use fluffy brushes to soften the edges and create seamless transitions between colors. One product that Michelle loves to use is the Eyes to Mesmerize Cream Shadow from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a long-lasting cream shadow that will light up your eyes, and it is a glide-on cream shadow, and it has this light reflecting finish to it. It's hydrating and conditioning with vitamin E, and once it's set, it will not budge. Michelle does use this applying that same Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow brush that I mentioned earlier. So as you can see now, that eyeshadow brush just has a multitude of ways that you can use it to enhance your features. Now mascara is another non-negotiable. It opens up the eyes and brings the whole look together. Michelle uses the Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerate Eyes Volume Mascara on her celebrity clients and on all her clients, and she did use it on myself as well. And she told me a story of how the bottle is designed to look like Charlotte's actual body with that hourglass shape, and the bottle that it's housed in is actually glass. So this will help to preserve the formula over time. It's a smudge-proof formula, flake-proof, sweat-proof, clump-proof, and a humidity-proof mascara. So this mascara is designed to give you volume and curl to your lashes, in addition to making your lashes look bigger, thicker, and longer. So next essential is lip products. Makeup artists typically carry a range of lip liners, lipsticks, and glosses. Neutral shades like rose, nude, and pink work on almost everyone and are staples in professional makeup artist kits. Lip liner is especially important because it defines the lips and helps your lipstick to last longer. As I mentioned earlier, Michelle uses the Charlotte Tilbury Life-Changing Lip Mask, and when she's going to apply the lip products, she has the client blot off the lip mask, and then she goes in with the Lip Cheat lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury and a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. And for me, she used the Nude Kate lipstick and the Lip Cheat Contour Duo in medium. And finally, the product that locks everything into place, setting spray. Professional makeup artists use their setting spray to ensure makeup stays flawless for hours. A good setting spray creates a lightweight veil over the skin that prevents makeup from melting or fading. Some makeup artists even use techniques like layering powder and setting spray together to create a long-lasting airbrush finish that keeps makeup looking smooth and blurred all day. And that's one of the secrets behind that red carpet makeup longevity is, of course, setting spray. Naturally, Michelle uses the iconic Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish setting spray. This setting spray is so hydrating, and it will prime and set your makeup for up to 16 hours. It has a waterproof formula, and it is also infused with aloe vera. To recap, The core professional makeup artist must-haves include skin prep. You also have your primer, your long wear foundation, a concealer, high quality brushes, setting powder, contour and bronzer, highlighter, brow products, a neutral eyeshadow palette, mascara, lip liner and lipstick, and finally setting spray. These essentials allow makeup artists to create almost any look from natural beauty to full glam using a small but powerful kit. And the best part is that you don't need hundreds of products to achieve a professional makeup artist look for yourself. With the right essentials and techniques, you can recreate the same flawless finish for yourself at home. Alright beauties, so that wraps up today's video on professional makeup artist must-haves inspired by Charlotte Tilbury makeup artist Michelle Villatoro. Make sure you follow Michelle on Instagram. I will have her page linked down below. And thank you so much to Michelle and Charlotte Tilbury for having me in for a glam experience. I seriously had the best time ever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what makeup products you consider your absolute must-haves. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you beauties in the next video.